Okay, so today we're going to be talking about composite functions. Composite functions is where we basically are combining two functions, but we're not like doing an operation between them. What we're doing is we're evaluating one function, finding that answer, and then using that answer to plug into another function. So an example of what a composite function looks like is right here, where we have this inside function, g of -1. So what it wants me to do is it wants me to figure out what g of -1 is equal to, and then take that answer, and that is what I plug into the n equation. Okay, so the first thing it wants me to do is evaluate g at -1. So g is right here, x squared plus 3. So I'm going to take -1, I'm going to replace the x to be -1 squared plus 3. So -1 squared is 1, plus 3 is going to be 4. So g of -1 is 4, but I'm not done. Now it wants me to take this answer right here and substitute it into n. Okay, so that is what it wants me to plug into n, and that's where I'm going to get my final answer. So n is right here, x squared or x cubed minus x squared plus 2x. So I'm going to take 4 and I'm going to replace all those x's. So I'd have 4 cubed minus 4 squared plus 2 times 4. Okay, 4, that's a cube. 4 to the third power should be 64. Just double checking, I'm sure it's 64. But yeah, so 64, and then 4 squared is 16, and then 8. So that would be 8. 64 minus 8 is going to be 56. So n of g of -1 is going to equal 56. Okay, so again, what I did was I took the inside function g and I evaluated it at the number -1. I plugged -1 into. I got 4 as my answer. Then I took that answer and I plugged it into the outside function n, and that's how I got my final answer. Okay, so you solve the inside first, take that answer, plug it in the outside to get your final answer. That's all that these composite functions boil down. Let's do another one, just make sure we got it. So I have g of f of 3. Okay, so it wants me to find f of 3 first, and then take that answer and plug it in. F is 3x minus 4. So I'm going to plug 3 in for x. It'll be 3 times 3 minus 4. 3 times 3 is 9, minus 4 is going to equal 5. Okay, then I take 5 and I plug it into g. G is x squared plus 3. So 5 squared plus 3, that would be 25 plus 3 is going to equal 28. Okay, and that's my answer. That's all you have to do for composite functions. Solve the inside, take that answer, plug it in the outside.